everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm going to be sprucing up a couple things. Not making, just sprucing up. You know, every now and then you find good deals on something. And you go, oh, that'd be cute, but I don't like that really. I'd like it if it was, yeah. Well, that's these two. They're kind of cute. But I think they need a little bow right here just to make them look more finished. So that's what we're doing. It's kind of going to be a boring video. But hey, I hope nobody missed me too much because I was gone for about a week. I was busy doing some training in my business. So I was gone. And of course, I did the dreaded Ohio sales tax last week, which was no fun at all. That's a boo, definitely. But that, and I did 2 different trainings last week, so I was kind of out. I did upload 1 video to YouTube. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see new videos. Oh, this is the Easy Bow Maker. And I'm just making a small bow. It's 4 inch. It's going to be 4 inches. Well, I may change that. Let's make it 3. Make it about 3 inches. Girls got a right to change your mind. We'll make it about 3 inches because we don't want a really big bow. We just want something to spruce that up just a little bit. Because it needs it. I'm going in the black and white buffalo plaid, the theme of the piece. And I will spin the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner, and make sure you pull it good. And here's our bow. Just take your fingers in there and get your fingers in there. Don't be afraid to get your fingers in that bow and fluff them out. Don't be afraid to put the fingers in there and puff them out. And go. And this will need trimmed. It's definitely too long. So I'll trim it now. And you don't want the tails on your bow to be the same length. No. Then I'm going to just trim this pipe cleaner down. I probably should have used wire. But I grabbed the first thing that was on my table. Oh, that one fell over. I'm going to add something right there in the center. And I have these little baby poinsettias, which will be perfect to add in the center. I just have to pull one on. I'll wait for my glue to heat up and I'll put that right in the center. But until then, I'll go on to my next to fix the next one while my glue heats up. I'm going to do about a 3-inch bow on this one too. I'm going to do a big show this fall, and I'm working on Christmas and fall, and I'm going to be doing some painting. So I will be adding some painting projects and some next week I hope to be doing some videos where I'm going to be doing some staining and painting. This time I'm going to only use half a pipe cleaner because that's all I need. Put it around like this and spin the ribbon, not the pipe cleaner, and then put your fingers in there. Don't be afraid to put your fingers in there. And I am gonna add a little flower to the center of that to just make it look even better. Because I have these baby poinsettias behind me, and I'm gonna pull one off. I'm gonna just use that. Okay, come on, glue gun. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Hopefully this glue gun will warm up by the next video. Oh. Or the next. I'm hoping to do 10 new videos in the next few days to upload to YouTube. And they will premiere every day for quite some time. That's my goal anyway, since I've been slacking, to upload quite a few. I have quite a few projects that I need to start getting a handle on. These are some smalls, or that's what I call them. It'll be perfect for my craft show. I'm going to go back and make sure to glue this bow in so it's not going anywhere. And then make sure that's fluffed back out. There's what it looks like now with my little bow. Then this one, I'm going to go back and do the same because I don't want that bow going anywhere. We don't want it traveling. We don't want a traveling bow. We want it to stay put, so we'll just glue him in place. So it's one more thing to keep him where he belongs. And here's what he looks like. The little Santa boot and buffalo, black and white buffalo plaid. I think he turned out pretty cute. And he looks but he looks 100% better than what I got. So when you go and you find great deals, especially this time of year, say, hey, that would look cute, but it's okay if you have to add a little bow or something to spruce him up a little bit. And this will go into my container for my craft show. Thank you very much, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and because I'm going to be uploading tons of new videos in the next week, and I wouldn't want you to miss a thing. Talk to you later. Bye.